We outside.
We outside in the hail.
In the hail. And 4. Oh. Came to get the spark plugs done on the cars. We did it on my brother's and on mine. These are the stocks. They're running Champions for some reason. But like every other car, these come different. Champion or NGK from factory. It just depends what they decided to put on your car. He's just finishing mine up all the way on that side. But check out this M4 though. I got the Supra, got the F30 over there. Damn, this shit's insane. Look at that. Heavy bad. Damn, that shit. Look at that. Big. That's it. Snowing in California. What's up?
Hey, we out here in the snow. We're about to make a little snow angel. Hey, this nigga got told me.
Dang. Had to stop by at the 76 to get one of these bad boys. We gotta drive home right now from House of Power. We're gonna come back in a few days to get the cars dynoed because we just got the sparks done, and then he has to bring his car because we just brought my brother's cars to get the maintenance done to it. But yeah, we're gonna be back Saturday to get some dyno runs going in so we can see how much we're making and stuff. But yeah,
the next day.
All right guys, so I just picked up my oil. We're gonna be running with LIQUI MOLLY 5W40. I guess this one has like, you know, glow in the dark type of shit in it, so like, let's say if I have any leaks or anything, I just gotta flash it with the UV light and I'll be able to see if I have any leaks. This is what I used on my old motor when it blew. I had like this all over my exhaust tip, so I kind of figured, you know, that my motor was done since I just flashed it, and I had a shitload of green oil like at the end of my tip of my exhaust. So where I ended up picking up my oil from, instead of like having to wait for it to be shipped, I came to Rancho Foreign Car Parts. They have everything, as you can see. They also supply you with like spark plugs, oil filter, anything that you really need, they can get it done for you. I have my oil filter right here. Take it out real quick. This is what it kind of looks like. I don't know if you can see. And it also comes with like a new gasket inside for the filter that you got to replace every time you do your oil change for the filter. I see it has like a little washer, I think, down there for like the, what is it called? Oh yeah, it's a washer for the drain plug. I guess you got to swap it out every time you do your oil change. But yeah, I'm gonna get home and get to installing this. Since these are my old spark plugs, I just put them there, you know, just for like, I guess, me doing the maintenance thing. But I already did that. I already have that done, and now it's just time for my oil change and my oil filter change, and the car will be good to go. All right, so I'm home like 2 hours later. It's about to get dark. I don't know why I always want to like work on my car when it's dark, but I have all the stuff here, you know. And then I just put my old homie's lip on, the one that he broke off, as you can see right there, which is why he ended up buying a new one, because he didn't want to rock this. But I'm like, I'll rock that, I don't care. Anyways, I'm gonna still probably end up breaking it because my car sits pretty low. So right now I'm just test fitting it. That's how it's gonna look, but I'm gonna put that on probably later on today. So right now I'm gonna just do my oil change, but I just wanted to lay the stuff out there for a thumbnail so I could post that up. And yeah, first I'm gonna start off with the oil. I have the jack in the trunk, so I had to end up going to O'Reilly's to go and buy this 32 mil that I need to take out the oil filter, because I didn't have this. First time I'm doing it on the car, so obviously I needed to go buy it. So yeah, now I can finally start working on the car, and it's already about to get dark, so I'm screwed. All right, so as you can see, I've used the 32 mil and then a half wrench or ratchet, whatever it's called, and I've loosened up the oil filter. Now I'm gonna just take it off and place it right here so I can get to doing the oil change now. Damn, I was definitely due for an oil change. Look at the filter, it's super dirty. I wonder if it'll come off if I shake it. There you go. Yeah, super dirty. I really needed to get it done. Good thing I'm doing it now. Now I just gotta drain out the oil and then place the new oil filter in after I do that. All right, so now it's time for us to go into the car. We have a ratchet here, and we're gonna need a 17 mil. Is it this one? Yeah, so it's this one. This is gonna be the one to be, yeah, this is gonna be the one that's gonna be taking out your drain plug. And yeah. All right, so we've made it on the other car. It's gonna be this one. I heard that there's supposedly like another pocket somewhere up there that's like for the front diff. Don't do that one. It's gonna be this one right here, 17 mil. That's gonna be your drain plug, and I'm gonna get to draining now. So that was a fail. Look at what I just did, but it's getting drained out. That thing looks pretty dirty. Holy shit, it was a fail. But at least I caught, where's that? The bolt. That was the only thing I was worried about, the nut that goes in the, you know, the oil pan. But I got it out. Now it's just draining out that oil. Yeah. All right, so meanwhile the oil is draining, I made a mess. I'm gonna take out the washer and then put it on the bolt, on the nut, whatever, so I could put it back on the oil pan and get to putting the oil on now. So all right, good to go. You know, sealed it up, tightened it up all the way. I have the oil right here. Super dirty, bro. Look at that, super dirty. Yeah, and the aftermath of having the car tilted sideways with the jack and the jack stand over there, I made a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that up after, but that shouldn't happen if your car's like straight with like a ramp here and a ramp on the other side over there. But I only have one jack, so this was the only thing I could do, you know, lift it up from one side, and that's what ended up happening. So now I'm gonna put on my oil filter on and put the rest of the oil in of the new one. Great, now I have another spill right there. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I'm tripping. I'm supposed to swap this gasket out, not this one, which I thought would go right here, but that already has one. So I have to take this one out and put this black one on there. All right, so what I'm doing now is tightening up the oil filter. All right, and now I have my funnel placed to pour in the oil now. But I'm gonna start with these, with the little small quarts or liters, whatever you want to call it. Oh, don't mind the spill. I couldn't record that good with my left hand. Just spilled a little bit right there, not much. Try to get every little last drip of that in there. Look at that, it looks all green. All right, so I just finished putting in all the oil in. I should have done this before, like put a rag here just in case it did spill like I did earlier, but I forgot, honestly. I just wanted to get it over with and fucking finish it. So yeah, I drained the 5 quart, 5 liters, whatever, and then that one and the one over here. So now I just have to pick up this mess, and I have to look for the oil cap. I forgot where to put it. Oh, it's right here. Get the oil cap, put it back on. I'm gonna clean it a bit. It's kind of dirty, but yeah, it's pretty simple. So if you're looking to do your own oil change, all you really need is 7 quarts of oil, your MANN filter, or you could use any other brand, but that's the one I like to use. Where is it at? Right here. You need a 32 millimeter socket. I didn't think I was gonna need it, but might as well, you know, for my future oil changes, because I need to keep up with the maintenance on here now that I have the car. You know, I already did my oil change and my sparks, which is a good thing.